The Nissan Intelligent Key, or iKey system, allows for keyless entry and ignition in your vehicle. An iKey system error means the vehicle isn't recognizing the key fob. This can prevent you from starting your car or unlocking the doors. Common causes include a dead or weak CR2032 battery inside the key fob, which is the most frequent culprit in about 40% of cases. Electrical issues such as wiring damage or a faulty body control module, or BCM, can also cause the error. Other causes include software glitches, extreme temperatures affecting battery performance, or physical damage to the key fob. The system relies on radio waves, and interference or a synchronization mismatch can trigger the error. This issue affects various Nissan models, like Rogue, Altima, Sentra, and Pathfinder, typically ranging from 2010 to 2024 model years. Ignoring this error could leave you stranded, so troubleshooting is crucial. To troubleshoot a Nissan iKey error, start by checking the dashboard for the error light. Use an OBD2 scanner to reveal BCM codes, such as P1610 for key recognition failure. The most common fix is replacing the key fob battery. Open the fob with a small screwdriver and replace the CR2032 battery. If that doesn't work, try reprogramming the key. Turn the ignition on and off while pressing buttons on the key fob. Check your owner's manual for the specific sequence. Inspect the wiring at the BCM under the dashboard for corrosion or damage. Clean or repair as needed. For newer models from 2023 onward, check for over-the-air software updates via the My Nissan app. As a last resort, replace the BCM or key transponder at a dealership. This costs $200 to $800. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consult a certified Nissan technician for further assistance.